workout routine that you can make at your home also. So let's get started! The 5 minutes worth of exercise. First, we will do the jumping jack. After that, we will make 30 seconds plank. Executing this kind of workout, we need towel or any mat that we could use to serve as our mat. So after we place the mat on the floor, so we will get started our plank, which is 30 seconds. After doing the plank, which is 30 seconds, we will do the knee to chest left. So this is like this. So of course, we need mat. So serve as the cover in our back. Okay, so let's start. So we will of course so after doing the knee to chest left, we will do the knee to chest right. After doing that, next is we will do the chest right. Then we will gonna do the cobra stretch. The cobra stretch is like this. So after doing the knee to chest left, knee to chest right, jumping jack, and cobra stretch, we will gonna do the child's pose. So these activities are very easy to do, so that it won't make you find hard to do it in your home. So let's start. So the child's pose exercise is just like this. Next, we will do the high stepping, and the high stepping is just like this. So along with my sister, we will do the high stepping. So after we will do the high stepping, we will do the 10 squats. So the squat is just like this. So after we finish to do the 10 squats, we will do 10 sit-ups. So sit-ups is just like this. So she's the one who is holding my knee for the sit-ups. So after you finish those tasks, let your body replenish the sweat that it goes out of you. So by drinking water and eating vegetables and fruits also.